It's 1060 laser sculpture machine. 1060 Diode laser body sculpture is laser-based and non-invasive treatment, which will be used to target and reduce fat cells directly in order to reach at permanent weight loss. Appearance first. 10.4 inches. Color touch screen. Emergency switch. Key switch. Hand switch. Four handles. 6 handle connectors. Water inlet. Water field. Water outlet. Power supply line. Now we show how to operate. Fix the handle connectors with the patient's treatment part tightly. Please know that we prepare 6 handle connectors. 4 handle connectors are for large treatment area, such as abdomen. Rotate the key switch to turn on the machine. You can see welcome interface first, price, welcome, and into treatment interface. Now you can see power density, which can be set from 0.5 to 2 watt per square centimeter. When you make the treatment for a new customer, we suggest to start from 0.5 watt per centimeter, then adjust as per customer's real condition. Time means treatment time and its countdown. Generally, we set 25 minutes. 1 to 50 minutes can be adjusted. Now, number 1, number 2, and number 3 handles are fixed with handle connectors tightly. When it's connected well, you can see 4 green light. At the same time, you can see standby becomes ready. Press start. Now, ready becomes working. And the green light becomes blue. There is state on the right top, price, and into state interface. You can see water temperature, flow rate of 4 handles. The most important is power. Power can be set from 1st gear to 4th gear. For the new clients, we suggest 1st gear, which is the most comfortable for sensitive patients. It's countdown. Now the treatment time is only 5 minutes. Treatment time is countdown. Now only 2 minutes left. Treatment is over. Treatment is over. You can remove the handles. Hand switch is controlled by the patient. During the treatment, if the operator has to go for a while, the hand switch must be in the patient's hand. When they feel uncomfortable, they can stop the treatment by pressing the switch.